Good morning. I am Arunachalam, second year BTech IT studying in College of Engineering India. Today I am going to explain my DBMS project. The topic I have chosen is a movie booking website that is implemented fully using a database. That is, there is no hard-coded data anywhere using HTML, and all the data you see is from an SQL table, which has been done using Postgres. Okay, so let's first see this screen, which is known as the login screen. And now here we need to enter our credentials, but as we do not have an account, let's create one by clicking new to Dreamworld Cinemas. As you can see, this is the sign up page. Let's create a demo account to test the functionalities of the website. And as you can see, it says account has been created. And yeah, so now as you can see now, the account has been created. Now let's use those credentials to log in. Now as soon as we click login, it takes us inside. Now as you can see, this is the main page of the website, where you can see a small slider which shows a few photographs of the theater. And then you can see this is the nav bar, which has links to 3 pages, an icon, the photo, the logo, then a welcome and the name you have entered during sign up, the profile icon. This leads to your profile page and a logout button. Now first let's visit the home page. Okay, so now you can see this is a few attractive things done to attract the customer, and then these are few popular reviews, and then this is the footer, consists of a map to provide location of the cinemas, and then few social media icons, a phone number, an email ID, a copyright line, and the usual footer things, and then I go back to the top link. This covers the home page. Now let's move towards the more important functionality of the website, which is booking a ticket. Now as soon as we click movies, you can see that a list of movies gets displayed. Now we can select any movie in this. Like now, for example, let's select second on Manal. As soon as we click, we get to see more information about the website. About the movie. This is more information about the movie, like synopsis, cast. Even get to see the trailer. As it's a YouTube embed link, so yeah, it works. And then we can also observe that this is done using only one file, that is, this file is movieinfo.php, not a separate file for manadu.php. And now if you see, if we go back and select some other movie such as 83, we see that it opens in the same file, movieinfo.php, but the values have changed, which makes it more effective than other websites. As you can see, all the values are changed, including the trailer. Okay. Now this is possible only because of using a database to fully implement this project. And then now let's select now as you can see, this is the same. We can open any movie, it just shows the information. Now let's go and book a ticket. Now let's select Manad. Now as you can see, there's a book now button. Now if you click it, it asks you for the time. Now accordingly, here I have just one time, but in date I have 3 dates. Now each combination of a time and date is a unique show. Now let's select the number of seats. Let's give 2, or I'll give 3, that's even better. So as soon as I click submit, here we can see the information I have entered, like just to reconfirm whether I have selected properly. Manadu, the date is 1st, 7:30, and the cost is 200 rupees. Now here it says red seat means booked. It is means someone has already booked them before. Now green seat means we have selected it, and gray means they are available. Now now we had previously mentioned we are going to select 3 seats. If we select more or less than that, the website will produce an alert to show us that we have selected some extra seats. Now I'll give an example. If I select 4 seats with book tickets, it says you have selected more number of seats. And same if I select less number of seats, it also says you have selected less number of seats. So it's always important to select the exact number of seats you have given before, because that's where you have given it before. So let's select 3 seats. Yeah, let's give book tickets. Here we get to pre-book our meal. It's just a normal food selection web page. Let's just select a pizza, and let's remember the price, 200. As soon as you click the last continue, you can see that E4, E5, E6 were the 3 seats we had selected. The date is 1st, 7:13, shown in Manadu. You can see the poster, and the food we selected was a pizza for 200. So 3 tickets were 200 to 3 600 plus 200 is total is 800. So we can see an entire summary, and as soon as we click pay, it says payment is successful. In a more real-time project, it will lead to a third-party money client, like such as a credit card screen or something. But since this is a small mini project, I have limited to this. But its realistic applications can be explored. Okay, so now that's the movie booking process. And now another interesting fact is that now we had booked the seats E4, E5, E6. If we go to the same date and time, let's keep it 1. Yeah, first, if you see here, E4, E5, E6 are booked. You cannot select them again because they have been booked under this name, Project Demo, which I'll show you later. Yeah, so now we cannot select these seats. So this is also a realistic application. Now let's see another feature of the website, which is comment section. Now let's select a movie. For example, yeah, let's select Monad itself again. As we see, if we come down, here's another section called comments and ratings. Here we can post comments about the movie. Now let's say I types 8. I say movie is fantastic, and I post this comment. We see a message that says comment has been posted. And now as soon as I go down and see, I can again push another comment. But if you come down, we can see there's another section called top reviews and ratings. Here we can see that our comment, that is Project Demo, has commented rating is 8, movie is fantastic. These will get stored or below this movie alone. Now if you open another movie, this comment will not be there, because again this is done using a database. And now if you see, only the top comments will be displayed. Now since I had just made 4 to 5 comments, all of them are displayed. Now if there are 12, 15, 20 comments, only 6 of them will be displayed. Yeah, so this is now let's go to another movie website. Now if you click doctor, as you can see, now there's just 2 comments. But now if we add another comment, and if we see down, see, now it has added Project Demo commented it's an amazing film. So now this is a way of sharing your reviews about the film, and it will also help other customers to know more information about the film. Now this is the same with any website, and if there is no comment made on a particular movie, it displays no one has posted their reviews yet, and you can be the first one. Okay, now let's go to another important functionality of the website, which is your profile. Now this consists of 3 important functionalities. The first one, it displays all your details you had entered during sign up, and you can also have a button to change your password, which we'll do at the last. Next is you can check your previous bookings. That is recently, that is just now we had booked 3 seats, E4, E5, E6 in Manadu, and we booked it today, which is 17th of January, and then at 7:30, and we paid 800. That was the final amount shown. Now this is like a short summary to the user to show how many movies they have watched, and this has more realistic applications as well. Now Now a user can book 10 or 15 bookings as well, and we should not cramp up his website, I mean his profile page. So this will display the 4 recent bookings. Now since I made just one booking, it shows it. Now if I make 5 or 6 bookings, it will show the recent most 4 ones. This is done by using the select query with limit option. And also the third functionality, it shows us the recent comments. Now again, from to prevent the cramping up of the profile page, I am ensured that there are only 6 comments, the top recent 6 comments that have been displayed here. As you can see, we commented on Manadu, that movie was fantastic. We commented on Doctor, amazing film. Now here it says on what movies we commented, and it does not show other people's comments. So this ensures that this is truly that person's profile page. Now let's visit the change password feature. As soon as I click change password, it asks me for new password. Let's give 1 2 3 4 5, and it's confirm. As soon as I confirm and click update, it says password has been changed successfully. As I click OK, it comes back. Now let's log out and check. Now I'll type my old password, which is 1 2 3 4. It says wrong email ID password. But now if I give now I'm entering 1 2 3 4 5, which is the new password. It enters. Change password feature is being done by using an update query. Okay, so we have covered the major functionalities of the website. Let's also go through the about us page. It's just a normal casual page informing the users about how Dreamworld Cinemas was started by using attractive CSS. So this is the about us page. This is the movies page. So now another the final functionality of the website, which is the delete account feature, is found here. Now it's given in small because generally we don't want our users to delete their accounts. So now as soon as we click delete account, it asks, are you sure you want to delete your account, because we cannot recover it later. Now let's enter the email address. The password we updated it as 1 2 3 4 5. Now let's enter. Now it says type I am willing to delete my account in the below checkbox. It's just a confirmation to see whether the user really is firm on deleting his account. Okay, so now as soon as I click delete account, it says account has been deleted successfully. But let's check if it is really deleted. It says wrong email ID and password, so which means the account doesn't exist. Okay, now I'll just go through shortly through the database I had used. The software I used was Postgres, and 7 tables were used in making this project. First one is the customer table, where all the user information is stored. One second. Yeah, so like as you can see, the name, email ID, password, age. Now as you can see, the project demo was deleted, so it doesn't exist anymore. And you can see the password, everything is stored here. The next is the comments thing, in which we can see the comments on each movie. You can see the recent comment is Manadu, that movie was fantastic. Then we can see the food table, which is just basic food display. Yeah, it's just food items displayed. Now the next 3 tables are the most important ones, as they decide on how to book the show. Now the screen table consists of the date and time, on whose unique combination we get a new show. For example, 1st February 7:30 is a show, 1st February 3:30 is a show. So each combination of date and time provide a unique show according with the screen, and now each show will have 100 seats. Now seats are identified by their 2-digit numbers from 0 to 99. Now using this, we can find out which seats have been booked by which customer. Now to know which customer has booked which, we can go to the booking table and we can find out. These are the following bookings made. We can also see the price, we can see the book dates, We can see the seats selected by them, the show date, show time. A lot of analysis on the data can be done in using this table, and also adding shows, adding new tickets, adding new movies, adding a food item. Anything can be done with just one insert query, nothing else to be done in the HTML portion of the web page. So I would say this is more dynamic of a website, and it has a lot of real-time applications. Thank you. Hope you like the website. Thank you.